Don't worry, I will craft you. I will mine and I will craft you a wonderful drink for you to eat in your mouth. What do you like, lemon in your tea? Lemon? Lemon for my honey, 'cause you are a lemon. Lemon. And lemon. Another one, right? And another one.
Huh?
And another one. Another one, right? It's going to be very lemony. How many sugars do you want? 100 lemon, 100 sugar, so many for your tummy. I'm sorry. Do you still want it?